Title: Frying an Egg, Sparkles, Cook Like a Pro with a 12-piece white non-stick granite cookware set. Sparkles, Frying an Egg. Description: Frying an egg, elevate your culinary skills with a 12-piece white non-stick granite cookware set. This durable induction-ready set features pots and pans designed for easy food release, making cooking a breeze. The heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe material ensures convenience and effortless cleaning, while being PFOA-free promotes healthy cooking practices. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this cookware set is your kitchen companion for delicious and nutritious meals. Upgrade your cooking experience today. Food, fire, #cookware set, #non-stick, #healthy eating, #induction cooking. Alt text: a 12-piece white non-stick granite cookware set designed for easy food release and healthy cooking. Durable, induction ready, heat resistant, dishwasher safe, and PFOA free. Elevate your culinary skills with this versatile cookware set. #cookware set, #non-stick, #healthy eating. Title: Frying an Egg, Bowl with Spoon, level up your cooking game with a 10 pieces copper aluminum cookware set. Frying an Egg, Bowl with Spoon. Description: Frying an egg, bowl with spoon, elevate your culinary skills with a 10 pieces copper aluminum cookware set. This versatile set includes a soup pot, milk pot, and frying pans, all designed with lids for efficient cooking. Crafted from copper aluminum, these pots and pans are not only stylish but also compatible with induction and gas stoves. Whether you're simmering soups, heating milk, or frying up delicious dishes, this set has you covered. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal with this sleek and functional cookware set today. Fire, pot of food, #cookware set, #copper aluminum, #induction cooking, #gas stove compatible. Alt text: a 10-piece cookware set made of copper aluminum, including soup pot, milk pot, and frying pans with lids. Compatible with induction and gas stoves, this set is perfect for versatile cooking. Enhance your culinary skills with this stylish and functional cookware set. #cookware set, #copper aluminum, #induction cooking. Title: French fries, fire, enjoy crispy delights with the 21 QT double-cylinder electric deep fryer. Fire, poultry leg. Description: French fries, fire, elevate your kitchen experience with a 21 QT double-cylinder electric deep fryer. This commercial-grade fryer is perfect for preparing delicious treats like French fries, donuts, chicken wings, and fish to perfection. Equipped with fryer baskets and easy clean features, this fryer simplifies the frying process while ensuring crispy results every time. Whether it's for your kitchen or dining room, this electric fryer is a must-have for creating mouth-watering dishes that will impress your family and guests. Indulge in crispy delights with this versatile deep fryer. Fork and knife, sparkles, #deep fryer, #electric fryer, #commercial kitchen, #crispy food. Alt text: a 21 QT double-cylinder electric deep fryer perfect for preparing French fries, donuts, chicken wings, and fish. Easy to use and clean, ideal for kitchen and dining room use. Create crispy delights with this versatile commercial electric fryer. #deep fryer, #electric fryer, #commercial kitchen. Title: Frying an Egg, Sparkles, upgrade your kitchen with a 12-piece stainless steel pot set and non-stick frying pan. Sparkles, pot of food. Description: Sparkles, elevate your cooking experience with our 12-piece stainless steel pot set featuring a kettle, wood grain handles, and a non-stick frying pan. This versatile set is designed to meet all your culinary needs, from boiling and simmering to frying and sautéing. The non-stick frying pan ensures easy food release, while the stainless steel pots are durable and easy to clean. Complete your kitchen arsenal with this stylish and functional set of kitchen utensils. Cook with ease and style for delicious meals every time. Frying an egg, knife, #cookware set, #stainless steel, #non-stick pan, #kitchen utensils. Alt text: a 12-piece stainless steel pot set with a kettle, wood grain handles, and a non-stick frying pan. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile and stylish set of kitchen utensils. Perfect for all cooking needs. Hashtag cookware set, hashtag stainless steel, hashtag non-stick pan. Title: Fork and Knife. Knife. Elevate your culinary skills with a 13-piece butcher's knife set and carved meat fork. Knife, meat. Description: Knife, meat. Unleash your inner chef with a fully 13-piece butcher's knife set, complete with a carved meat fork. Crafted from high-carbon steel, these knives are perfect for kitchen, outdoor, camping, barbecue, and special occasions like Thanksgiving, Valentine's, Halloween, and Christmas. This versatile set comes with a bag for easy storage and transport, making it an ideal gift for food enthusiasts. From slicing and dicing to filleting fish, this knife set is your ultimate kitchen companion. Elevate your cooking game and impress your guests with precision cuts and culinary mastery. Present, fire, hashtag knife set, hashtag butcher's knife, hashtag chef's knife, hashtag gift idea. Alt text: a 13-piece butcher's knife set with a carved meat fork, crafted from high-carbon steel. Perfect for kitchen, outdoor, camping, barbecue, and special occasions. Ideal gift for food enthusiasts. Elevate your culinary skills with this versatile knife set. Hashtag knife set, hashtag butcher's knife, hashtag chef's knife.